Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a completion review for you, and this comes from Diamond Painting Hut. Now, if you've been following me, you'll know that they sent this to me. I had no idea what I was going to get, but this is the canvas that they sent to me. And I don't, off the top of my head, remember the price because I did go back and look. But I will put a link to Diamond Painting Hut and to this canvas in my description box. That way, if you're interested in getting this one, you can go straight to it from my description box. But I think it was Rose Reflections or something like that. But it turned out great. And this was a round full drill. And it did have the DMCs on the schematic. And I think there was like 33 colors in this. But all of the colors were so pretty. They blend well together. Super, super sparkly and shiny. I didn't have any problems with the canvas, the glue, the drills. I barely had any trash. So, yeah, I really enjoyed working this canvas. And even though there is a lot of confetti in this, like in the flower or in the greenery of the flower and everything, there was still a lot of color blocking that you could do in this. So, yeah, it was really nice to work on. And this is a 30 by 40. And it is from Diamond Painting Hut. Now, on their website, they have a lot of different diamond paintings. And I believe they had other crafts on there. I'm not real sure. I know they had off the canvas, like keychains and bags and, different items like that you could try. But they have a lot of canvases. They have mystery canvases. They've got a lot of different canvases to choose from. But yeah, I really like this, and I like this company, and I want to thank them for sending this to me. And even though I had no idea what they were sending me and was kind of nervous about it, I really like this canvas, this image. And I'm not a big flower person, but it is pretty, and I think it turned out great. So thank you, Diamond Painting Hut, for letting me work on this and show this to my subscribers. So, and this canvas is super nice canvas. So, all right, y'all. Well, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below in my comment section. I enjoy reading them and having conversations with y'all and getting to know you. And yeah, just go check this company out. And like I said, all the links will be in my description box. So until my next video, y'all, I hope everyone's well, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye, y'all.